Hello and welcome to our channel. Today's topic is about one of the most sought after questions on the internet, how to make money with stocks. In this video, we're going to delve into the world of finance and take you through the steps needed to make money in the stock market. We all know that the stock market is volatile and can be a risky investment. However, it can also be an excellent opportunity for those willing to take the plunge. Firstly, let's start with the basics. The stock market is simply a platform where investors can buy and sell stocks, which are essentially small portions of ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you are investing in a company, and if the company does well, so does your investment. To make money with stocks, you need to buy stocks that have the potential to rise in value. This means researching companies, reading their financial statements, and analyzing their industry to determine if they are good investments. One of the best ways to do this is to follow the advice of seasoned investors, such as Warren Buffett. Buffett recommends investing in companies that have a long history of success and steady growth. He also advises against investing in stocks based on trends or hype surrounding a company. Another way to make money with stocks is to invest in dividend-paying stocks. Companies that pay dividends are essentially sharing their profits with their shareholders. This is an excellent way to generate passive income, as these stocks typically pay out quarterly. Another tip for making money with stocks is to diversify your portfolio. This means not putting all your eggs in one basket and investing in a variety of stocks across different industries. This can help spread risk and minimize the impact of market fluctuations. It's also essential to be patient when investing in stocks. Buying and selling stocks frequently can be expensive due to fees and trading costs. Instead, focus on holding stocks for the long term, allowing them to grow and generate profits over time. In conclusion, making money with stocks requires research, patience, and a willingness to take risks. By following the advice of seasoned investors and diversifying your portfolio, you can make informed decisions that can lead to great financial gains. It's important to always keep in mind that the stock market is volatile and that there are no guarantees. However, with the right mindset and approach, investing in stocks can be an excellent way to build wealth and secure your financial future. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful.